What's up, guys? Welcome back. A lot of crazy things going on, a lot of big changes around here. One of them being supermoto's gone, but that's because I replaced it with something new. What do we got, Valen? New, yeah. All right, so we replaced it with a quad, but there's a lot of stuff coming out on this thing. So we'll give you guys a quick walk around. Nice flat tires, love that. Oh well, we're getting those replaced anyway. But it wasn't in too bad a shape. This is actually really hard to find one in as original condition as it is. Still has a stock bumper on there, even though it's chewed up, but today we're gonna actually end up replacing that, and I've got a new hood for it. So we're gonna try the Meyer Dominator hood, it's called. And we'll stick that on there. And Valen, you're gonna help me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I already put a new gas cap on there because I can't stand these long vent hoses on the stock caps because they always end up just getting twisted up and then they just stick it right down here into the steering stem, which is really annoying every time you want to take it off and fill up. So that's gone. All right. But let's get started on this today. We'll add the new bumper, new hood, and then I'll bring you guys other stuff when it shows up. If you guys are wondering, I went with a rock bumper. No particular reason. It was cheap. That's the biggest reason. It was cheap. Some people said they really liked it. It's really light. I like the look of it. And it was literally a third the price of some of these Wrath bumpers and other comparable bumpers on the market. IMS, those are pretty expensive too. But there were a couple people saying that the fitment isn't that great. And I'm starting to see what they're talking about. So, I don't know. We'll tighten these up. We'll see how it goes. If everything fits fine, then I guess I'm good with it. All right, that wasn't too bad. I say it looks a heck of a lot better than the stock unit. Oh yeah, anything's better than the stock unit. I don't know. After putting it on, it didn't line up that easy, but after tightening everything up, it seems to be okay. I mean, you really can't beat that for 45 bucks. Yeah, not bad at all. So, I'll let you guys know how that thing lasts. It seems all right, but I don't know if the quality is not any better. I guess we'll find out, but I definitely like the look of it. It transforms the front of this thing to look way better. Oh yeah. We'll see how it goes. Onto the hood. All right, so the new hood is going to be a Meyer Dominator. We'll see how it goes, but I definitely like the look of this thing better. Only problem is they're usually meant for racing, which we will eventually be doing. So I have to remove the stock hood and the headlight. I'm probably going to end up doing something different later. I don't know, maybe some pod lights. But
Go pee
all right, you go ahead.
We'll come right back.
So maybe instead of the stock headlight, I'll end up doing some pod headlights instead. Maybe tucked back here behind the bumper or something. But definitely got to get rid of the stock unit in order to put the new hood on.
I'll come back.
Okay. I give it to Honda. They make it really easy to take the stock hood off. It's literally just a couple of rubber grommets and these stops right here. All right, I don't know if you guys can see this, but to remove the stock headlight, you got to use these right here and a little 8mm bolt right down here. These look like these would be 10s. Okay. Guys, that looks so much better. What do you think, Valen?
Good.
Yeah.
Much more better.
I guess it's kind of a bummer you got to remove a headlight, but this is how they should look from the factory, if I had my say. Oh, that looks so much better. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's see how long all this stuff stays on here, because I don't know if I can get a number plate on here or not. The plan is we're going to keep building this thing, and eventually we're going to start racing it. It's got a long way to go, obviously. I mean, you can see there's basically no tread left on these tires, so I've got a new set coming already. So we should have those hopefully by tomorrow, and then I'll make another video on that, putting those on. New seat cover, graphics. It'll get a new exhaust. Definitely needs a new chain at this point. But we are well on our way to building a race rig. Ooh, that looks so good.
That's super good.
Yeah. I would take it out riding, but we've got like 30-mile-an-hour winds and a lot of nasty weather on its way. Oh. Next time, I will have a ride video for you guys coming up here this week, actually. So stay tuned. You guys will see how this goes. As for the crazy things going on lately, moving across the country, having a new house built, getting rid of the supermoto, it hurts, but it was necessary. So got rid of the supermoto in order to get this. This will be a whole lot of fun, a whole lot of content, and a lot of new videos coming up. So you guys just bear with me. I have a lot of stuff coming. I'm dying to show you guys, but I just have to get started on it basically. Now that we're a little bit settled in, things are gonna start coming out. All right, stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon.